light. It goes on the back of this rack. So I've been designing these steel racks to go on the back. So the first one has already been put on. So it has the spare wheel, the ladder, number plate. It's not done yet. It has this, an extra support to go on it. But that's coming. One step at a time, and yeah, having a good time here. That's it. Lucky I got in here. We hit the road and some shit went wrong. Yeah. Oh,
So what are you saying?
So that fuel leak has caused all this dirt and stuff to build up. Pretty bad. It used to be an oil leak, but it looks like it got repaired, but they didn't clean it properly. Then if you have a look at the radiator and the intercooler, so that's the radiator there, how they have these big grease spots. That's all the dirt, debris getting sucked through. So they're gonna get it clean. Yay. Hey, blessings. These tools. I basically took out the whole front end, the radiator, cleaned everything, just had a diesel leak. And eventually I got stuck, I got down, blah. I realized how dirty the diesel makes everything. Everything was all clogged up, the radiator, the intercooler, the fan radiator, the heating cooling radiator. Yeah, so it's a bit cleaner in there, you can see. And this is a new hose I got from Mercedes. That hose alone cost $170. These plastic clips just gone in there, and that's where the leak was coming from. So yeah, we're back, putting things back together. See how it goes. Good blessings, Ron from Root Soul Life. Check out our channel. Yes, so this is the roof rack to be. I'm making the roof rack. It's made out of aluminium. I decided not to buy one, it's quite expensive. And a few guys are doing roof racks on YouTube, so I was checking what they're doing. And then I came up with my own concept. And this is basically the aluminium roof rack. On top of this is going to be a wooden deck. One of Zari's to the front. That's with a solar panel.